How many? This is the last chapter for class 1 in subject math, and the content to prepare this video I have taken from the book Math Magic because it is developed by the NCERT especially for the small kids, and in this video is very much useful for the students, teachers, and as well as the parents, because after going through this video you can prepare so many worksheets, so many uh, work assignments to test or to assess the child whether the learning outcomes of for class 1 is achieved by the child or not. Let's go through the first activity which I have given or worksheet given in the book. This is the first activity. Here the child has to write the numbers of sticks, means the figures of sticks are given here. He or she has to count and write down here like this: 6, 8 and 20. Just one thing I'm explaining here is again the one bundle shows tens. This concept we have taken up in the previous videos, how the 10 loose numbers together form one tens. So uh, please once explain one more time here like this bundle is 10 and these are the loose 10 sticks together forms the 2, and we can draw two bundles here, can also then also it will become the 20. In this way the 10 plus 3 13, 10 plus 5 15, 10 plus 7 17 and 10 plus 6 16. In this way the child will again revise the formation of ones and tens. In the next activity or worksheet, you can assess the child like here, like how many beads. Tell the child that this one garland has the 10 beads in each. So these are the three garlands having 30 beads plus two loose beads together forms the 32. Again 30 plus 9, 39 beads. 4 garlands with 3 loose 43, 4 garlands with 5 loose beads 45, and 5 complete garlands having 10 beads in each together forms 50 beads. Okay, in the next part of this exercise, one more activity related to the money is given here. How much will the banana cost? Means one banana 1 rupee, then 3 bananas 3 rupees. Here you can introduce the unitary method, means if you have a cost of one thing, one item, you can imagine you can judge the cost of many items given as per the in the question. Okay, in the next worksheet, these two childs has taken the placards of or flashcards of two numbers 15 and 24. Okay, 15 and 24. Here this is one picture having two childs again. One is sitting, one is on the blackboard. The girl is showing a number 26 and the child is having a placard of 13. So the question is, which is the bigger number? Yes, 26 is the bigger. You can ask the child here which is the smaller one, then the answer will become 13. In this way you can prepare many worksheets. In the last worksheet, these pictures are given, means some goats are sitting, some goats are going, and how many are left. So you can develop the story by telling them, means these are the goats. You can make 5 goats, 7 goats, and one is going or 3 is going out from there. Then how many were sitting or eating there? So in this way you can create a picture based story for a child to do the mathematical calculations as well as the literacy part also. Like here, develop a story on the picture and narrate in the class. One picture is given. You can use so many pictures to do this exercise or to develop this competency in the child, like Billu, weave baskets of different shapes. He used bamboo to make baskets. He sells them in the market and earn money to live happily. So here the child has come to know the skill of making baskets. He or she may come through the concept of money, means if you do some skilled work, you can earn money in the later in your life. So these are the activities or worksheets which you can also develop to assess the learning outcomes for class 1, and this is the last video for the class 1 once again. And I'm very happy to do all this work because it is very new to me, and you have watched all the videos, so I'm thanking you. And I'm especially thanking you, the NCERT, to develop such a beautiful concepts, beautiful books, to give them the different concepts to the child in a very easy and interesting manner. Okay, now in my next series, what I'm going to do is I will do some hands-on activities for these small kids to develop the numeracy as well as the linguistic development together. So please kindly watch it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends.